Hey guys, have you ever wondered why most celebrities and models out there, it just always looks like they have clear skin? They never have pimples and, well, it just looks really good. Now, a lot of people say, well, it's just because they're models or they're celebrities. No, it's not because they're better than you for some reason. It's just because they put in the effort and they know how to take good care of their skin. Now, I've been a model for a long time and I've always taken good care of my skin. So, let me tell you how I always take care of my skin to have clear skin, good-looking skin at all times. I'm going to tell you a few things that I've never shared on this channel before. Let's get to it. Now, just very quick, if it's the first time that you're here and if you want content for men, everything that's important, everything has got to do with men, that's honest, that's accurate, and that's not going to waste your time, that's going to bring value to your life, then subscribe and you won't regret it. Now, I'm going to give you 3 important tips, advanced skincare tips that will help you to have clear skin. Let's start with number 1. You need a good basic skincare routine. This is just basic when it comes to skincare because your skin is not going to look that great without a basic good skincare routine. Why? Because over time you will get sun damage. You'll get dirt in your pores, you'll get sebum causing pimples and blackheads, and well, you will just get old. So your skin will get worse as time moves on. So a basic skincare routine works like this. First, you need to wash your face at least 2 times a day. When you wake up in the morning and before you sleep at night. A 3rd time as well if you work out. If you work out every day, after your workout, you need to wash your face as well. You need to use a good cleanser that penetrates deep enough into your skin to prevent those pimples and blackheads. And then you need to put on the right ingredients with a cream afterwards so that it will give your skin what it needs to look good. Now, I have just shown you my own personal skincare routine, and the brand that I've been using for a long time is called GEOLOGIE. It's an amazing brand, it works, it's personalized skincare. That means it's personalized, it's customized, made specifically for you, for your specific skin. I reached out to them and said, hey guys, I'm gonna make this video, will you sponsor it and also give my viewers a big discount? And they said, yes. So if you wanna check them out, I've added all the details in the video description down below with the big discount code as well. All you need to do is to go on their website and answer a few questions about your skin type. And their dermatologist will create a skincare routine specifically for you. And they'll send it right to your house. It's as easy as that. Let's move on to number 2. The second tip is vitamin C. Why? Well, let me explain it to you this way. When we are babies and even young kids, why do we always have good-looking skin? And then when we grow up, it just looks, well, not so clear anymore. It's because of vitamin C. It's actually part of our skin, you know, in the top layers. But as we grow older, the vitamin C gets less and less. And our bodies cannot effectively store the vitamin C we get from food back into our skin. And then sun damage and pollution makes it even worse. And over time, your skin starts to look duller and kind of uneven. Yeah, this is why so many people out there have uneven skin and they don't know why. It's because of the vitamin C. So how do you get that vitamin C back into your skin if you can't get it from food? You get it from trusted products. You can also get it directly from GEOLOGIE. But GEOLOGIE's vitamin C also comes with vitamin E, ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid, which all add to improving your skin tone. This is the perfect formula that brightens skin tone and fades away dark spots. And then of course, if you are like me, who's slowly getting older, I mean, I'm 36 right now, so I know, as I age, I'm gonna get more and more wrinkles. And so this product also helps for wrinkles. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about, and yes, this is the last thing, we don't need to talk about millions of products like a lot of channels do. We are men, less is more, and we only need to focus on the products that actually work. And so what I want to talk about is a clay mask, but not just any clay mask. I mean, there are thousands out there, and most of them you don't need and they don't actually work that great. There's one, just one, that I want to suggest. This 3-minute volcanic sand exfoliator and eucalyptus clay mask. It has lactic, glycolic and salicylic acid with tea tree oil, powdered volcanic sand, kaolin and bentonite clay. So this is basically an exfoliator and a mask in one. It's great for your skin and you don't need to use this every day. You just need to use it once a week. So it saves you time and money. Now, if you use all of these tips, it will definitely help you to have better looking, clear skin. If you want more tips, check out these videos here and I'll see you there. And always remember, life is short, so don't waste yours. Cheers, guys.